Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to add a new page or duplicate an existing page in Canva. If you want to expand your project or carry over a design without starting from scratch, this guide has you covered. First, adding a new page in Canva is super easy. At the bottom of your design, you'll see a small plus icon. Clicking this instantly adds a blank page to your project. This is perfect for when you need a fresh start for a new idea or want to create multiple pages without losing organization. Now, let's duplicate a page. Say you've created the perfect design and want to copy without changing the original. First, select the page you want to duplicate, then use the shortcut keys Ctrl and C to copy it. This works just like the standard copy command in other programs. Next, go to the page where you want the copy to appear or stay on the current design if you prefer and press Ctrl and V to paste it. Boom! Your page is duplicated exactly as it was, keeping all the details intact. So to recap, adding a new page gives you a fresh canvas and duplicating lets you copy your designs quickly without starting over. Both tools are built right into Canva's interface to make your workflow faster and more creative. I hope this quick guide makes your Canva project smoother and more efficient. Keep experimenting, practice these steps, and you'll see your workflow improve in no time.